14th, Battle Rap's world leader brings Big Boom Battle Rap back to Atlanta, Georgia.
Can y'all hear me? Yeah. Can y'all hear me? Yeah. Come on. Get stomped out in new sneakers. I'm a jack boy. Ironic, he went into a few seizures, spit flying. Phone on soul like shoe cleaner, 2 meters, with no documents, and it's 9/11. My nigga Muhammad Atta, bomb your shit, stop the whip, rock and lift, pull up on your low dogs. Who do we have a problem with?
Let it stretch something. I mean, everybody got a die sheet that happens to the best of them. I always been a big ass crick with dumb heart, gun spark, slide his hood in a Crown Vic, looking like an unmarked gun action. Looking like an unmarked gun action, ain't no squabbles with it. Double drum, looking like I make homemade waffles with it. Hey, smack.
Oh, it's so lit for him. I'ma get the max time, tax time. See me next to a big John. Let the gays clap you. MLK statue, holding a big arm. I'm from Maryland.
I was trying to chill, he should've took the safe route. C-Tech waved the face out. He think he's Superman with his cape out. Bullet, in the middle what happens, brought the ape out. I'm from the South, I'm the Hellraiser. First round, I'm a 30 sheet like a trailblazer. I'm talking ladders out the ride. He don't care about the drop. I mean, your ace mean, but you ain't worth the Rashid, you ain't the wildest in your squad. Leg shot.
URL's Redemption 2. It all goes down Saturday, February the 18th. Tickets are on sale now at Ticketmaster.com. No pay-per-view, no live stream. The only way you can see this event is in person or on the URLTV app. Sign up and become a member today at URLTV.tv. URL, the worldwide leaders of MC battle culture. Can't copy, respect.